So hi everyone, it's me Persige again, and for today's video is Happy New Year, and this is the first snow of the year 2026. So hindi pa masyadong makapal but thankful tayo kasi pagising natin sa umaga, ang napakagandang tanawin ay may experience natin sa buong buhay. Yay! So, this is around our accommodation. And then after nito is lumalabas tayo kaunti. But not totally na labas, no? Yung saglitan lang kasi sobrang lamig man, Diyos ko, no? So, again, it's our first snow this year. So, napakaganda ng snow this time.